Hey guys, today we're at the a local creek in the park, and I'm gonna try out the one of the silk lines that I restored back in the winter, and I've yet to fish it. Based on the diameter, I think it's probably a 3, maybe a 4, so I put it on a 3-weight wet fly nitro glass. We're gonna give it a try. This creek here has got chubs, sunfish. I don't think it's got bass or anything else, but they're usually pretty ready to hit, and it'll be a fun little afternoon. I've got the line mounted on an old skeleton reel, perfect for 2, 3, maybe 4 weight, not much more, because there's nothing to them, but they're great for lines like this that need to dry out when they're not being used, and don't weigh much. Kind of go hand in hand aesthetically with a silk line, although this could be nylon, but for our purposes it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to do a few casts with it to see if I got the size right of the line. See how it casts. This line's really kind of, oh yeah, this is gonna work fine. In doing this helps break it in, because the line had a bunch of kinks and bent sections from the restoration process, but they break in fairly easily, and then they are nice and straight. This could be a 4-weight. Seems kind of heavy on this, although I know this rod's very flimsy compared to other 3-weights. One thing I noticed with the line when I was putting the loops on it, as well as getting it on the reel, is the coating seems to flake off pretty easily. I hope it's kind of soaked into the line itself, and so that there's some waterproofing still. It's got a couple coatings of mucilin on, so it should be fine, but if the coating didn't take very well, then you're only going to get a couple hours at most of floating before it starts turning into an intermediate line. So this may not be the best test today, because we're not going to be casting all that far, but we will see if it floats and see if it holds up to snags and things like that you normally encounter in fly fishing. We had a lot of rain last night. Hoping the stream's not too high. We'll find out. There's my, is that the first pool? And there's a cut through. Didn't used to be here, I don't think. There's something. Saw a flash. Oh yeah, little sunfish. Not sure what kind that is. I don't think it's a red breast. It could be. Could be a really young one. There's another hit. Hope that's a chub. Nope, red breast. Ouch. They're hanging out in that little pool down there, and they're not even in the shallow area. There's another one. I don't think the chubs are here today. Eventually you get them all, I guess. Yeah, I don't think those chubs are here this time. That stinks. There's one. I think we've got most everybody out of here. Okay, let's move on to the next pool. Ooh, somebody grabbed it. There we go. That might be a chub. Nope. What is that? It's long. Just a sunfish. I'm amazed. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. Good little red breast. Pretty one. Look at the colors on him. Oop, there's a, you didn't get it. Get it. I see you chasing it. There we go. Red breast. Something went after it. Oh, there he is again. There's a bunch of them going after it. Well, something went after it, I saw. There's a fish. Red breast. There he goes. He went back to his pool. Somebody else is going to get taken out. There we go. There's a chub. There's a chub. Little guy, but he counts. We should do well here. We should do well here. It'd be nice to get a bass. I've only got one here. Oh, there goes one. Just hit it. There he goes. Little guy. Somebody hit it. There's somebody. Chub. Another chub. That's about the normal size here. There's somebody, maybe. There's somebody. Good, decent one. Pretty one. Look at those colors. And he swallowed it. Oh, there's a fish looking at it. There he is. Chub. It was longer. Nope, another sunfish. Oh, I can see a sunfish bed right there. I don't think they're spawning anymore. There's a good. Good for this creek. That's bluegill. Yep, bluegill. There's one there. They're hanging around that rock or stump or whatever that is. There's one. Ooh, decent one. You're not bad. You're a pretty one. You're a pretty one. This fly has had better days, but still working. There he is. It's not the most difficult fishing. Ooh, that was a good take. What is that? Red breast? No, it's different. Maybe not. Oh, it's red breast. Well, guys, the rain's picking up, so I'm gonna head on back in. It's a nice little test. That line needs some straightening out though, some breaking in. But I think it'll float okay. Didn't cast the best, but that could be that it's a wrong weight for the rod, but it seems okay. It seems fairly close. So I guess it passes, but not with flying colors. So that's the final verdict.